What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 10 areas of your home that you need to clean right now. These are areas that we typically tend to overlook and not clean as often as we should. So this video is going to give you deep cleaning motivation to get your home ready for the spring and summer. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia and I'm a working mom trying to keep a clean household with a toddler. So please consider joining the family by clicking the red subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you never miss out on a future video. And let's jump right on into it. Nick and Rylee suffer from allergies, so having clear air is a must. The Levoit Air Purifier Vista 200 will be launching this May, and it has a 3-stage filtration system which removes 99.97% of airborne particles such as dust, lint, pet fur, and allergens. It has 3 different fan speeds with a timer and a nightlight as well. Allow this device to work its magic by letting the fresh and clean air stay with you. Typically, we are always focusing on the front and the inside of our fridge, and we tend to forget about the top. This is where you're going to see a whole lot of dust and random stuff that you might have just thrown up there and completely forgot about. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede, and we hold. I can't even remember the last time I tackled the top of my fan. It's something that I just typically forget to clean. So it was really nice finally getting a chance to get all of the dust off of it. Once I was done cleaning the ceiling fan downstairs, I figured I might as well go upstairs and also tackle our bathroom fan. While I was in the bathroom, I figured I might as well also clean underneath our sink and really give the under sink pipe a good wipe down. Again, something that we always do tend to overlook, but something that does need to be cleaned from time to time. And the last thing I wanted to hit before I headed out the bathroom was also cleaning all of the light switches and the doorknobs. So I went around the house really quick to hit all of those as well. Your oven drawer could also use a good cleaning too, even if you're using it to store extra pots and pans. So simply just wipe it down with some soap and water and you are good to go. The next area to tackle is definitely behind the sofa. This is an area I don't get a chance to get to too often, but I am always amazed at how much stuff I always find behind there. If something's missing, chances are it's back here. You make me smile, you're the solution. And once you're finished cleaning up behind your sofa, you might as well tackle your phone and your remote. These are areas of your house that get touched all the time. When was the last time you cleaned out your bookshelf? And I mean taking all the books off and really doing a nice deep clean. Not to mention, this also gives you a chance to go through all of your books and see what can actually be donated or thrown away. I know personally for me, I couldn't tell you the last time I did this, so it was definitely satisfying. You are